Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever found yourself struggling to clean those hard-to-reach spots between your teeth, especially if you have braces or dental appliances? Well, today we've got something that might just be your new best friend in the battle against plaque buildup: the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens Micro Tight Interdental Brushes. These little guys promise to deliver a deep clean, even in the tightest spaces. But do they really work? Stick around to find out, and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss another honest review. Now, let's dive into the details of the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens. This pack of 10 brushes, with a total of 4 packs, features soft bristles designed for effective plaque removal between your teeth. Whether you're dealing with narrow dental spaces, braces, or other dental appliances, these brushes are marketed as the solution to your interdental cleaning needs. With their nylon-coated wire, these brushes promise to clean effectively without scratching or causing discomfort. They're even hygienically treated for up to 10 days of use. The standout feature here is the Micro Tight design, crafted specifically for those with tight teeth who often find flossing or using larger interdental brushes a struggle. These picks fit comfortably between teeth, making them an excellent alternative to flossing, especially for those tricky areas that your toothbrush can't reach. After using the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, I can confirm that they really do slide between my teeth with ease. I was a little concerned at first that the size might not be a perfect fit for my more tightly spaced teeth, but I was pleasantly surprised by how snugly and effectively they fit. The soft bristles provide a gentle yet thorough clean, and the ergonomic handle makes them easy to maneuver. In terms of portability, these brushes really shine. Each one comes with a protective cap, which is perfect for tossing into your purse or travel bag. I tested them on the go, and I was impressed by how compact and convenient they were to carry around. Plus, the bristles stay hygienic for up to 10 days, which makes it easier to keep them in your bag without worrying about them getting dirty. Now, while I do love the functionality and convenience, there are a couple of things to consider. The brush heads themselves are smaller than some other options, so it might take a bit of time to get used to using them if you're accustomed to larger brushes. Additionally, while the brush design is well suited to tighter teeth, I did find that I needed to take extra care when cleaning around braces to avoid bending the wire. That said, I wouldn't say this is a major issue, just something to be mindful of. So, how does the GUM Proxabrush measure up in terms of value? For its price, it's definitely a solid option. You're getting 10 brushes in total, which should last a decent amount of time, with the hygienic treatment keeping the bristles fresh for up to 10 days. For those with braces or dental appliances, these brushes are an invaluable tool in your oral care routine. In terms of comparison, there are certainly other interdental brushes on the market, but I found that the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens outperformed others in terms of portability and comfort, especially for tight spaces. Some of the competition might be slightly cheaper, but when it comes to overall functionality, these brushes stand out as a reliable choice. When it comes to build quality, the brushes feel sturdy and well-made, with a design that's easy to use without feeling flimsy. The protective cap is also a nice touch, ensuring that the brushes stay clean while in storage. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer service, I didn't need to contact GUM directly for this product, but I have heard positive things about the brand's responsiveness when it comes to addressing consumer concerns. As for product alternatives, if you're on a budget, there are some other interdental brushes available for a lower price. But in my opinion, GUM's Proxabrush Go-Betweens are well worth the investment, especially if you've been struggling to clean in those tight spaces. To wrap things up, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens do exactly what they promise. They effectively clean between your teeth, especially in tight spaces, and they're perfect for people with braces or other dental devices. While there are a few small quirks, they're still a top contender in the world of interdental brushes. I'd recommend them to anyone who wants an easy, effective way to keep their teeth plaque-free, especially if you struggle with traditional flossing. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.